So this is Forrest, and Forrest is 10 weeks old, and he's going to have a shave. He's going to demo. What a good boy he is. Yes, he's going to demo it. He's going to sit. Good boy. And we start right around the bottom of the ear, in line, straight in line with the bottom of the eye. You're such a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. See the bottom part? Such a good boy. And we scrub the skin to get out the wrinkles. He's a good boy. Pretty. Oh, no, you have to hold still. You were so good the other day. You're not being so good now. Whoops, you're on. And we're going to do the paws. Good boy. Bite the shaver. Bite the shaver. Don't bite the groomer. Good boy. This one. I'll just squeeze them a little bit just to get the fur between the toes a little bit. And we empty out the little, it's a little ditch here. Look at that. This little ditch. Good boy. Don't bite the shaver. Stand. Good boy. The end of the tail. Whoop. Boy. Little ditch. Such a good boy. Oh, this poodle's almost ready for a bath. Got to be bath time. Don't bite the shaver. Show them how pretty you are. All shaved and ready for a bath. Good boy, Forrest. Thank you.